Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many players wonder how to redeem a V-Bucks card directly on their PlayStation 5 console in 2025. The truth is, direct redemption through the PS5 store for these cards isn't available. But don't worry, there's a straightforward, effective method to ensure those V-Bucks appear in your Fortnite account. We will walk you through the essential steps, guaranteeing you can use your new V-Bucks on your PS5 without any hassle. This guide makes the process super easy. It is crucial to understand why V-Bucks cards don't work directly on your PS5. V-Bucks cards are unique to Epic Games and Fortnite, unlike PlayStation Store gift cards. Your PlayStation 5 console is designed to accept only its native PlayStation Store currency for purchases. Trying to input a V-Bucks code, there will just give you an error, confirming it is not the right place. This distinction is key to successfully getting your V-Bucks. The correct and universally accepted method for redeeming your V-Bucks card is through the official Epic Games website. You can do this on a computer, a smartphone, or even a tablet. Just open your web browser, navigate to the Epic Games redemption page, and log into your linked account. Then, carefully enter the 25-character code from your V-Bucks card. This ensures the V-Bucks are added directly to your Epic Games account. For your V-Bucks to show up on your PlayStation 5, your PlayStation Network account must be correctly linked to your Epic Games account. This linking usually happens automatically when you first play Fortnite on your PS5. Once you redeem your card on the Epic Games website, the V-Bucks are instantly tied to your Epic account. Just launch Fortnite on your PlayStation 5, and you will see your updated V-Bucks balance ready for use in the in-game store. A pro tip: always verify you are logged into the correct Epic Games account before redeeming your V-Bucks card to prevent any mix-ups. Also, hang onto your physical card until you see the V-Bucks reflected in your game. While direct PlayStation 5 redemption for V-Bucks cards isn't expected for 2025, Epic Games continuously updates their systems. Stay tuned to official announcements for any future changes, but for now, the website method is your best bet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.